Hello everyone. Today we'll discuss the part 35th of the important notes for biochemistry so that you can easily able to answer the one-liners and the MCQs in your exam. Adenosine deaminase or the ADA converts the adenosine or the adenosine 5-phosphate to inosine or inosine 5' phosphate respectively. This enzyme is very important in the B and the T lymphocytes and also in the NK cells or the natural killer cells. Increased adenosine deaminase levels is highly suggestive of the tuberculosis. Deficiency of the adenosine deaminase leads to the SCID. What is SCID? SCID is the severe combined immunodeficiency. Over here what happens is the adenosine is increased, which gets converted to the deoxy ATP, and this deoxy ATP is actually an inhibitor of the ribonucleotide reductase. And so because of this, the synthesis of the deoxyribonucleotides stop and the cells cannot divide due to the lack of the DNA synthesis. SCID was the first disorder to be treated by the gene therapy. Xanthine oxidase. Now this xanthine oxidase is the rate limiting enzyme of the purine catabolism. Xanthine oxidase, that is a rate limiting enzyme, catalyzes the conversion of the xanthine to uric acid and requires molybdenum. Allopurinol is the suicide inhibitor of the xanthine oxidase enzyme. Catabolic end product of the purine in the primates, amphibians, reptiles and the birds is the uric acid. In the non-primate mammals, uricase or the urate oxidase forms the allantoin as the end product. Allantoin as the end product of the purines. Combined mechanism of the hyperuricemia, that means over here what happens is there is increased synthesis of the uric acid and decreased excretion. Now this combined mechanism is seen in the von Gurk's disease, aldolase B deficiency, shock and the alcohol consumption. HGPID deficiency basically cause increased uric acid. Xanthine oxidase deficiency cause decreased uric acid. PRPP synthetase deficiency causes decreased uric acid. Low purine diet in the milk, especially cow's milk, yogurt, cheese and vitamin C actually help in the excretion of the uric acid from the kidneys. So, if there is a kind of patient suffering from the decreased excretion of the uric acid from the kidneys, so low purine diet is suggested. High purine diet is the spinach, mushroom, peas, cauliflower, meat, fish and the liver, and these high purine diets are basically avoided in such patients having the decreased excretion of the uric acid from the kidney. Gout patients should avoid heavy exercise and alcohol as it leads to the lactic acidosis and the hyperuricemia. As you can see over here, this is the gouty arthritis. First pyrimidine nucleotide to be synthesized is the orotidine monophosphate. Orotidine monophosphate, it is the first pyrimidine nucleotide to be synthesized. Rate limiting step of the pyrimidine synthesis in the eukaryotes is the CPS2, that is the caramel phosphate synthetase 2 step. So over here, as you can see, this step over here is the rate limiting step of the pyrimidine synthesis in the eukaryotes. Rate limiting step of the pyrimidine synthesis in the prokaryotes is the aspartate transcarbamylase. OPRT, that means the orotate phosphoribosyltransferase transferase and the decarboxylase are the bifunctional enzymes. That means these two enzymes have activities on a single protein. Means these two enzymes are bifunctional enzyme, means two enzyme activities on a single protein actually occurring over here. Now this enzyme is known as the UMP synthase. UTP, that means the uridine triphosphate, gets converted to the CTP, that means the cytidine triphosphate, by enzyme cytidine triphosphate synthetase. Now this enzyme basically requires energy from the ATP and also requires amino group from the glutamine. Orotic aciduria is a rare autosomal recessive disorder which is actually caused due to defect in the UMP synthase enzyme. Orotic aciduria is the most common metabolic error in the pyrimidine synthesis. In type 1 orotic aciduria, both OPRT and the decarboxylase enzyme are deficient. While in the type 2 orotic aciduria, only decarboxylase enzyme is deficient. Megaloblastic anemia occurs in the orotic aciduria due to deficiency of the pyrimidines. Uridine diphosphate sugars are used in the synthesis of the glycogen, galactose, glycoprotein, etc. and serves as carrier of the activated intermediates, for example, UDP glucose, CDP choline, etc. UDP glucuronic acid is used for the conjugation reaction like bilirubin, also the synthesis of the proteoglycans. PAPS, that means the phosphoadenosyl phosphosulfate, acts as sulfate donor. Cyclic AMP, cyclic GMP acts as second messengers. NAD, NADP, FAD, FMN, these all act as coenzymes. DNA and RNA are the nucleic acid or they are the polymers of the nucleotide. We discussed about this previously also. Hershey and Chase experiment was done on the bacteriophages and it proved that DNA is the genetic material in the organisms. DNA is double-stranded in both eukaryotes and the prokaryotes. In DNA, purines are always equal to the pyrimidines. RNA is single-stranded, so purines are not necessarily equal to pyrimidines. So to wrap till here, we'll discuss about the further important notes in our next video. Thank you so much.